Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to enable airplane mode in Windows 11. So if you want to enable this option, you need to click rightmost button on icon with a start, and after that you will see here a list of available settings. Of course, we need to go to Settings tab, and now Home Settings will be displayed here, so we need to go to the left panel, and from the list we need to select Network and Internet Settings. Then we need to scroll down and find here Airplane Mode. This mode will let you to stop wireless communication during flight. So if you want to turn it on, you need to click on the black dot, because on default it is set to off. So I click on this one option, and after that airplane mode will be successfully turned on. If you want to disable this mode, you need to click on the white dot, and then airplane mode will be again turned off. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.